Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcade. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python program through Pycharm IDE. And today's topic is that we take a dictionary as input and sort the dictionary by its key or its value. Okay, so we can sort the dictionary through either key or value. So I will discuss this program separately in two different Python code, one to sort by value and another sort by key. Actually, what is a dictionary? Dictionary in Python actually a sequential or sequence data types, and it contains two things. One is key and that is value. And if we want to sort this dictionary, we can sort by two ways, either by key or by its value. So go to the computer screen. Through Pycharm IDE, I will discuss today's Python program. Okay. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcade. Myself Arnab Kundu, and today I will discuss the Python program to sort a dictionary by key or by value. So at first we write the code to sort the dictionary by key, and next I will write the code for sort the dictionary by value. Okay, so at first within the Pycharm IDE I just write the code here, and the file name of this Python file is concerned ex2.py. I already opened. Okay, so at first we just write dict equal curly brace open close. That means we are create a empty dictionary here. Okay, and here we take the dictionary key and value, whatever the pair they are present within a dictionary, we just take as input, because we know dictionary is a sequential data structure or data types in Python, and they have the pair, one is a key and that is a value. So at first we take input, how many terms is there, means how many pair we can put as input. Okay, so that's why we at first write n equal and just write int, and within parentheses just write input function, and just write within double quote enter the number of pairs. Okay, and then put a colon and then put a space. Okay, now we use a for loop for I in range and send as argument 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, and put a colon, and now we take the input for key and value separately within the dictionary is concerned. Okay, so at first we write k equal, which stored the input for key, and here we take key as integer and value as a string. So as a key is integer, just write int and then write input, and then just write within parentheses within double quote enter the key, put a colon and put a space, and also write v equal, where we take input for value, just write input and just write within double quote enter the value, put a colon and put a space. Okay, and then just write dict and within square bracket just write k equal v. Okay, so in that way all the key and value pair will be stored within the dict dictionary. Okay, now what happened, we should store the key of this dictionary within a list. So just write l equal and take a constructor of list is a list, and then just write dict dot keys method. Okay, so all the key will become as a list within the variable l. Okay, and now we take another dictionary which stored the sorted dictionary by key. So just put the name of that dictionary, suppose d underscore s, and just write equal, and within curly braces we are just write here I colon dict within square bracket just write I, then write for I in L. Okay, and at first we print our original dictionary, so just write print dict and then we write our shorted dictionary d underscore s. Okay, and also we just short the list. Okay, so that's why we just write here l dot short. That's why we are need to convert this key of the dictionary as a list, l dot short, before save that file. So just write l dot short after creating all the keys of the dictionary as a list element. Okay, and now this code is already stored within the file ex2.py, and just go to the run button and press run ex2. Just see within the console, enter the number of pairs. Suppose we put the pair is 4 here, and first key suppose 12, and suppose the value is BBB, 3 B's, and next key suppose 41, suppose it is triple C. Third one suppose 70, and suppose value is ZZZ, and fourth one suppose 2, simple 2, and the value suppose triple P, and press enter. So this is our original dictionary, whatever the input we are given, 12 BBB, 41 CCC, 70 triple Z, 2 triple P, and after short, whatever the short is done according by key. So just see it's an ascending short, so 2 at first, then 12, then 41, then 70. So in ascending order, the dictionary is shorted by its key. Okay, so this is the program where we short our dictionary by its key. Okay, now we write the code to short the dictionary by its value. So now what happened, this part is okay. We take the number of pair as input, we put the key and value as input within the dictionary and store within the dictionary dict. Okay, now what happened, we short the dictionary by its value. Okay, so in that case what happened, we just take another variable k, and here we both key and value separately store its element as a list. Means key of the dictionary store as an element of a list, also the values of the dictionary store as an element within a list. Two separate lists, one for keys and another for values. Okay, so just write k equal and just write list, and then just write dict dot keys. So here all the keys of the dictionary dict store its key as an element of the list k. So the dictionary key is just stored within the list as its element, and the list name is k. And same way v is there, v is also a list which store its element as the dictionary's value. So same way just write list as the constructor, and then just write dict dot values. Okay, so in that way keys store within the k list and values store within the list v. Okay, we need a module which is numpy, so we import this numpy module. So just import numpy as np. Okay, and we are using this numpy module here because we need a method of this numpy module or function. So just write s underscore v underscore I. Now we take another list which is name is s underscore b underscore I, and just write here np dot arg short. Here we are using another method arg short, and send the argument as the value, and using what, the method arg short, which is a numpy one of the method. Okay, and then what happened, we just write another dictionary which store the shorted dictionary by its value. So just write s underscore d and put a curly braces, and just write here k within square bracket I colon v within square bracket I, and then just write for I in s underscore b underscore I. Okay, and then at first we print our original dictionary, and next we print our shorted dictionary s underscore d. Okay, same way we store this code within the Python file ex2.py. If we run this code, just go run ex2, enter the number of pairs, same way suppose 4, enter the key, suppose 23, then suppose write ww as its value, next key suppose 10, suppose its value is ii, next key suppose 96, suppose its value double c, and next key suppose 1, and suppose its value is JJ. And now just see, at first the dictionary contain whatever the input we have taken, 23 WW 10 II 96 CC 1 JJ. Now it's short in ascending order by its value, and what is its value? Whatever the string is given is just arranged. C is at first, then I, then J, then W. So that's why its ascending order is just shorted according by its value. So the dictionary is shorted by its value. Okay, so first example, short the dictionary by key, and now the dictionary is shorted by its value. I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic have two different part: short the dictionary by key or by value. First part shows the dictionary is shorted by key, and the next part shows the dictionary is sorted by its value. If you understood this topic, please like it. If still you have some confusion, just write in the comment section. Share the video. If still you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching my channel Technical Argwen and keep with us. Thank you and bye bye.